Good morning everyone. For today's video, let's learn how to add fractions. For example, bumili kayo ng pizza at hinati mo yung pizza into 4 parts. Yung isang slice, binigay mo sa kaibigan mo. That means nang natira sa'yo na pizza ay 3 slices out of total 4 slices of pizza. At yung nasa kaibigan mo is 1 slice of pizza out of 4 total slices of pizza. If i-add natin or pagsamahin natin yung pizza na nasa sayo at sa kaibigan mo, makabuo tayo ng isang buong pizza. Or that means 4 over 4 or a 1 whole piece of pizza. So in our first example, 2/5 plus 1/5. Before tayo mag-perform ng addition, i-double check muna natin kung magkapareho ba ang denominator nila. Kasi, ang rule ng addition of fraction is dapat pareho yung denominator nila. So, in this example, pareho yung denominator nila which is 5. This one. So, that means na pwede na natin i-add agad yung dalawang fraction. So, sa pag-add ng fraction is yung numerator i-add natin. So, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. At saka i-copy lang natin yung denominator. So, that means to say in this problem, ang sagot is 3/5 or 3 over 5. Okay. So, next example natin, 2/3 plus 1/2. Magkaiba yung denominator nila. That means na kailangan natin kunin yung least common denominator. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng LCD or least common denominator? Ang LCD ay number na divisible sa numbers na nasa denominator. So, sa example na ito, 6 yung LCD natin kasi divisible siya ng 3 at saka 2. Okay, so lagay natin sa ibaba yung 6. Okay. So, to get the numerator, we divide 6 to the denominator here, and then we multiply it to the numerator. So, 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2, and 2 times 2 is equals to 4. And then, in the second fraction, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3, and 3 times 1 is equals to 3. So, since pareho na yung denominator nila, pwede na tayo mag-add. So, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 and over 6. So, ang answer sa problem na ito is 7 over 6. So, in our next example, 3 over 6 plus 1 over 4. So, since yung denominator nila ay magkaiba, 6 at saka 4, that means to say na kailangan natin kunin yung LCD nila or least common denominator, which is 12. So, lagay natin ang 12. So, 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2, and 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Sa next fraction naman, 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3, and 3 times 1 is equals to 3. So, i-add na natin since pareho na yung denominator nila. So, 6 plus 3 is equals to 9 over 12. So, 9 over 12, need pa natin yan i-simplify. So, yung common number na pwede na divisible siya sa both 9 at 12 is 3. So, let's divide 3 in the numerator and divide 3 in denominator. So, 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, yung answer sa problem na ito is 3/4. Pero paano naman mag-add if mixed fraction? Same lang din yung steps pero madadagdag lang sa steps ang pag-add ng whole number. So, sa example natin, so una natin tingnan yung denominator nila. So, yung denominator nila is 3 at saka 7. That means na magkaiba sila. So, dapat natin kunin yung least common denominator nila, which is 21. So, lagay natin yung 21 sa baba. At saka 21 dito. Okay. So, 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 7 times 2 is equals to 14. So, next fraction naman, 21 divided by 7 is equals to 3. And 3 times 1 is equals to 3. So, if we add natin to, so 14 plus 3 is equals to 17 at saka over 21. Sorry. Over 21. Pero hindi pa ito yung complete answer natin kasi dapat natin i-add yung whole number. So, yung whole number natin dito is 7 at saka 1. So, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So, yung answer natin dito is 8 and 17 over 21. So, let's have one more example for mixed fractions. So, yung denominator natin dito is 4 at saka 5. So, magkaiba sila. So, kunin natin yung LCD nila or least common denominator. So, yung least common denominator nila is 20. So, lagay natin yung 20 dito sa baba. So, 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. And 5 times 2 is equals to 10. And 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. And 4 times 1 is equals to 4. So, i-add natin. So, 10 plus 4 is equals to 14 over 20. So, i-simplify natin yung 14 over 20. So, yung common number na pwede ma-divide sa numerator at saka sa denominator is, let's try 2. So, let's divide 2 in the numerator and divide 2 sa denominator. So, 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. At huwag nyo kalimutan i-add yung whole number. So, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So, yung sagot sa problem na ito is 5 and 7 over 10. So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa video ito. At please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.